Hey, Keith, do that thing where you fart through your head. All right, then. Oh, mate, that was wicked.
Bill! Hey, can you keep it down out there?
Oh, heavens.
You've got the kids, they're sleeping up here.
Oh, sorry. Oh, just one more try. Bill, man. Bill!
Oh, I'm looking forward to this snow bath all day. I like to just get in. Oh, where's my phone? Leave it in my jeans. Did I put it? Oh, it's in my coat. I can feel it vibrating. It's in that pocket. Oh, the flipping zip. Jammed. Oh, hang on. Oh, stupid coat. Hang on, the chuffing thing. All right, I am trying to answer it as quickly as I can, you know. Taking this coat back. Who makes a coat? You can't open unless you've got a physics degree. Only had it a fortnight. Oh, it's like Piccadilly Circus round here.
Hey, Darren, have you tried that new toothpaste?
Yeah, it's horrible. Are you sure it's not bubble bath?
Of course it's not, you idiot. Norman, have you tried the new toothpaste?
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's made my gums go all numb. I've lost control of my lips.
Oh, I think it's nice. Minty fresh.
Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go?
Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go.
Is this gorilla enough for you? Yeah?
I'm Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! Wolverine! Sabretooth! You can't get me on Wolverine! I'm Sabretooth!
Pack it in, you know I'm working nights.
That's you, she meant, because you're adopted. You are.
No, you are.
You are.
No, you are.
You are.
No, you are.
You are. You
Shut
are.
up, you pair of you.
Yeah, I've got a pound off everyone on the hillside for children in need. Well, everyone, bar one. Oh, there he is. It's Alan there.
Alan! Ow! Alan! Ow! Alan! Ow!
He can't hear me. Or he's choosing not to.
What?
No, guys. I can't keep doing it. Oh, it's so funny. I know. It's hilarious. I know too. All right, watch more. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Picture the scene, yeah? One of us, right? Walks into the bar! Home comes the barman. He says, bonus bros. What a long face! What a long face! Oh.
625, 626, 627, 628.
Sir, what time is it?
It's 425. 426, 427, 428. Oh, you! 1, 2, 3, 4.